Hi, I'm Jordan, back at the Harley-Davidson studio. Feel the wind in your face while making use of the communication technology with our Fury N04 Bluetooth 3/4 helmet. This is the Fury N04 Bluetooth 3/4 helmet. This 3/4 helmet is made of a polycarbonate and ABS plastic injection shell. Minimal branding gives it a low-key Harley look. The lining is removable and washable, and one of my favorite details is the integrated Bluetooth system. I love the convenience of being able to chat with my passenger or riding buddies, so the upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 system is a fantastic feature. Not only does the integrated speaker and microphone make it to where you don't have to shout at each other at a stoplight, but the system also helps with noise control and wind noise reduction while you're out on the road. The intercom can connect with up to 4 riders, and it has a working distance of up to 900 meters or half a mile in open terrain. Prefer listening to the radio on your ride? The high-definition speakers can crank the bass and offer an excellent sound quality when you play music from the built-in FM radio. A rechargeable battery and charger are included. This system supports Sena's headset profile, hands-free profile, and advanced audio distribution profile. So what all that means is the system can connect to your mobile phone, which allows you to make, answer, or end calls and adjust volume. You can listen to music or GPS apps on your smartphone, or you can connect to a standalone GPS device as well. This helmet weighs 3 pounds, 13 ounces, which is great considering it includes a Bluetooth system. You have matte black or matte silver colors to choose from, and it comes in sizes small to 2XL. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you next time.